Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that brings you only the craziest and most exciting road moments caught on bikers camera. Today's episode is going to be exciting because it's packed with all sorts of road moments such as close calls, crashes, road rage and many more. We already have a crazy situation in our first video in which a camera caught a bike theft. Let's watch this one together. We already have our thieves enter the scene. First, they casually walked up to the parked bike and checked out whether it was locked or not, and they looked around to see how often people pass by. These thieves act really calculated, since they do not appear to leave anything by chance here, really cautious about their business.
These MCs and rappers wanna chat about their syllables and their multis and their similes and all that. Then I come through with my
Help me! Help me!
From this video, we can say that the theft was a major success for them. But from what I managed to find out, the owner retrieved his bike shortly after. I don't know the means he used or what exactly happened, but in the end, justice was served and he got it back. These thieves already have a police record and they are notorious for pulling bike thefts like this one. In this video, you will see all sorts of crazy encounters this biker had to deal with in one single day of riding, from crazy drivers to Mother Nature showing its teeth. It was one hectic ride.
Eita, esse aqui tá mais perto. Tá mais perto.
Biker tried to make a U-turn here, but let's just say that it didn't go as he planned it.
Fez a curva errada.
Check out how this crazy biker was speeding, and because of that, he nearly took out a pedestrian who was crossing the road. He'd injure himself as well if it came to a collision. Please ride safe and be more considerate.
Caraca, velho!
Not just to criticize drivers, we also got bikers like this one here who don't pay attention while changing lanes. This crazy driver cut the biker off from a straight-only lane. Road markings are there for a reason. Don't make it hard on yourself and others by pulling crazy moves like this driver here.
Wow. You're gonna make a right. I knew he was gonna do it too. Even though his blinker was on, telling me he was, that's still a dumb move. What's wrong with you? Dumb son.
In this situation, the biker had to take drastic evasive measures just because some driver stopped at a green light for some reason. Perhaps they were distracted by their phones.
Holy, that was close.
Look at this accident here. Wow. How did this happen? Oh my G. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Mercedes Benz. Someone flipped it. Wow.
Biker tolerated it until it reached the point of no return. This rude driver was tailgating him for quite a while, and at one point the biker snapped. This is what happened.
Back up. What are you doing, dude? Bora, anda, mulher.
Biker was just riding around and enjoying the nice weather. Unfortunately, his peace was disturbed by crazy driver who undertook him in the cycle lane. Not only was it illegal, but it was really dangerous since he was inches away from getting hit and injured. Green light means go, when you look at it from the legal and law point of view. But in today's day and age, it's still far from safe. Eyes wide open, guys. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the biker. He's swerving all over the road without even bothering to indicate or look at his mirrors. And I wonder why. Well, you'll be in for a shock when the biker pulls up next to him and notices what's going on.
I first met Andy Dufresne.
This is why lane splitting can be a gamble and such a dangerous game to play. Even though it is legal in some states, I'd advise you to not do it. But if you still want to, please be careful and do it at a modest speed. Drivers out there change lanes in an instant, and you won't have time to react if you're going fast. This self-entitled golf driver pulled out in front of the biker, and his ego got hurt when the biker honked at him, and the situation didn't end there. A bit further up the road he pulled up and tried to knock the biker off his bike. Some people are incredible. Biker caught some hectic road rage on his camera as he passed by through this area. It would appear that a child took out a knife and started chasing someone. These crazy pedestrians stepped into the road while walking. Not a bright idea, my guys. Definitely not a bright idea.
NANI?!
As the driver was making a turn to his driveway, he didn't pay attention at the oncoming traffic. He failed to see a biker going straight and it came to a crash. Luckily, the biker was doing just fine.
Hey Cordo, stop. Do you not see me coming?
No, I wouldn't have turned if I did. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm sorry. Can somebody help me lift this up? It's heavy.
Lady behind the wheels didn't judge the situation all too well, and as a result, she got her front tire over the biker's leg. The traffic was tight and there was no need to approach someone closer than everyone already was. And this is what happened next.
Pako! Putang ina! Atras ka! Pako! Ah! Putang ina! Ang luwag-luwag dun! Ang luwag-luwag oh! My God!
One biker moved over to the far left lane and he scared another biker who was passing by. The biker who was already passing in that lane moved over to the curb way too much and he hit it. That caused him to lose control and he crashed.
Weird. He seems good.
Biker witnessed a 3-car crash accident and it would appear that the driver who actually caused all the mess fled the scene. Biker had it all on camera and he immediately pulled over to call the cops and check on the participants involved in it. Make sure to stick around for this crazy encounter. The vehicles are totally wrecked and it's a wonder that everyone involved got some minor injuries. Despite being okay physically, the people were pretty much shaken up and rightly so, everyone would be. Biker went over to try and reassure and console them. Props to this cool biker.
We are at, yes, just around Business 78, yes. I'm not sure on the exact location though. Hey, sir? Yes, sir. I just want to let you know, I actually got it on a video.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
The officers that are coming to investigate this, I'm just on my way home.
Yes, sir.
They're gonna want it.
Yes, sir.
In that
Yes,
thing,
sir.
okay?
You just said over here on the side?
Yeah, just move it over on this side so we can get traffic moving down this way.
Okay, sure thing. Yes, sir. If everyone's okay? Do you know if everyone's okay?
Yeah, everybody. She's a little hurt. She's a little shook up. She's bleeding in her marks.
Oh, I'm
sorry. Did you see the accident?
And I got it on video. Is it still blinking?
You got it on video?
I think so, yeah.
Oh my God! Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank God I was here to witness this. Wow. What happened, do you know? Because I saw that red truck, that red like lifted truck. I saw him like drift out.
With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode of Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw being made. If you like my work, please hit that like button because it helps out enormously. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click that bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for all your support so far. And until the next episode, ride safe and take care.